think I've ever played...
I didn't want your blood clot, I forgot to set me on a pussy hole.
Yeah, fuck you, fucking reggae idiot bitch!
You want blood clot, cause I didn't even bumble clot rate you know.
Stop speaking that gibberish!
Fat bumble clot pussy hole girl, you know this? Shot in a bumble
you.
clot. Hey, yo,
Hey,
don't touch
what's
me.
wrong? What's wrong?
Jacob here. You know Jacob?
Yes.
Jacob tells me it wasn't him, but some people he introduced me to have ripped me off big time and put the heat on me. I know they did.
All right.
But
I
someone
know
did.
my fault, you know, Rasta. I know my blood
Well,
clot.
not
fault.
your
Hey,
fault.
don't come in on my face.
All right. You better hope Nico can make this right for you then.
Oh, what?
Oh, we got a big fucking problem, Rasta. Nico, go do this first job for him.
Yeah, I got it.
Watch me now.
See you later.
Watch me now.
I've got this stuff. You know where the heat is coming from?
I think I'm getting closer now. But there's one more cat me have to speak to.
Shit! Speaking of fucking cops, I think I have company. I gotta go.
now, Nico. This is some strange shit.
Down, man, and his package is bouncing all over. You're gonna start thinking, well, there's more to life than shutting up, and that's not what is true. It's that simple.
I'm robbing you. Don't freak out.
Christ, no bloody mighty.
The children of
So,
America. Okay?
This is it. Thank you very much.
And that is
Jacob, what are you talking about? You know, I think you're smoking too much.
Yo, me think me know the eater come from in a king.
Hey, Nico. Hey, Jacob.
What are you doing here? This is no place for you, Michelle.
As it happens, it is. You see, Nico, I have been working for the government. I'm afraid it's my job to watch you. And now I have to ask you for the coke.
This is a joke, right?
Please, please don't make this harder for me than it already is. Look, they're about to take down Elizabeta.
I don't fucking believe this.
Listen, I'm sorry it had to be this way, Nico. I'm really sorry.